Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How y'all doing? Well, this evening I'm in the kitchen. Like I said, I'm about to fix some dinner. And this is what I'm fixing. Just a few pieces of chicken leg quarters. Not leg quarters, short thighs. And I like to cut them in half. It seems like the seasoning go through a lot better. I'm not a real big fan of leg thighs normally. But since this pandemic, wings are hard to find, and when you find them, they're like $22, $23 for a pack of wings, and I'm just not ready to pay that for wings right now. So I found with these leg thighs, the thighs of the chicken, if I season them well and cut them in half, that seasoning goes through better. So what I just put on there is this herb and garlic. That's really good on chicken, pork chops, everything. It's even good, like I said before, on fried chicken. But the only thing, it makes your chicken a little bit dark. So I don't really like that. And I put some mustard. The mustard is the trick. Just like on fried chicken you put mustard, baked chicken is great on mustard too. And I'm cooking healthy, so I'm not frying anything. That was black pepper. And I got onion powder and garlic powder. The key for me to stick to a good plan of eating healthy is to have my food ready when I'm hungry and for it to be seasoned well. Because if it don't taste good, I'm not going to eat it. And then I'll start eating on something else. Oops. Didn't need to take that off. That's a little sazon. And also that last one I had was complete. Put just a little bit of Louisiana, give it just a little bit of heat, not much. Because my little one, he's gonna eat it too. And I'm gonna put just a few drops of olive oil. And that kind of helps the seasoning to stay on the chicken better. And let me get my oven. Okay, so I have my pan here, and I'm going to line it with foil. Got to put a little bit of curry on my chicken. Okay, just mix that up good. Just massage it in that chicken. And when you put it in the pan, if you got skin on there, put the skin side up. I'm also gonna make some, I'm gonna cook a small meatloaf, not much, because I'm cooking tonight, so I don't have to cook every day. Because as y'all can tell by now, I don't mind eating leftovers, and I don't want to have to cook every day. So I know if I have my food ready and it's already done, that helped me out to plan my meals. Okay, doesn't that look good already? It's not even done and it already look good, and it smells good too. Oh, I forgot to take my pan out. Also on my chicken, I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. This is Jenkins barbecue sauce. There's a restaurant here in Jacksonville. There's a chain of them here, and they have their own barbecue sauce. This sauce is so good. It's delicious. I knew I was forgetting something. So I'm gonna put that in the oven on 400 for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so now I have some ground beef. Small amount. I still have problems cooking a small amount. I'm so used to cooking for children. When my children were in the house, they were big eaters. So I'm still not used to cooking small amounts of food. It's going to be easy if I put it on the cutting board. Then you just try to cut it up by hand. Not going to put a whole lot of onion. So it's going to be I'm just going to make a small little meatloaf. See that? Just a little onion. Oops. Just a little. I'm just gonna have garlic here. Put just a little garlic in it. A little mustard. A little black pepper. Today, my foster son and I, we took a nice ride down to the beach. Maybe about 25 miles. It was really nice. I'm going to put 2 eggs in here also. So it was really nice. It was late when I thought about doing it. And then when we were coming back, Jacksonville is so full of bridges. We saw the sunset as we were coming back across the Hart Bridge. And I wish I had my camera out, but I didn't. It was so beautiful just to watch that sunset. And you could just see it total, just clear, the full sun going down. So that was about 5:28. So I know the next time what time to go across that bridge to catch that sunset. I usually put a little bell pepper in my meatloaf, but I'm not putting in any bell pepper this time. I am going to add just a little bit of Quaker oat. I add that in my meatloaf sometime, but I'm not going to add much, and that helps to hold it together. I like to use Ritz crackers. Townhouse, but I figured that oatmeal might be a little healthier than the crackers. This is tomato paste in a tube. But you know, a lot of times you need tomato paste, but even the smallest can sometimes is too much. So I love using it in the tube because it's a lot more convenient and economical, because sometimes even the smallest can of tomato paste, I don't use it all and it usually gets thrown away eventually. Because all I need is like 2 teaspoonfuls in here. So try that out. It's tomato paste. It's in a tube. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit of ketchup. Okay. Deciding whether I was going to make 2 small ones, but I think I'm just going to make 1. I was sizing it up. hope that egg and oatmeal is enough to hold it together. If it doesn't, I'm gonna eat it anyway. I'm still gonna eat it. If it's tore up when I take it out of the oven, I hope it's not. Usually it doesn't, but I usually put a little bit more crackers or something in there too. But as long as it tastes good and it's done, I'm still gonna eat it. Mr. V gonna eat it. And my little 6-year-old, he'll eat it too, tore up or not, because he loves meat. He's a big meat eater. He wants meat when he wants nothing else. He wants the meat. So yeah, that's my meatloaf. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven. So I got both of them in the oven, the meatloaf and the chicken. So I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir fry some frozen fine green beans. So I'm gonna put them in my wok. Put just a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna stir fry a little bit of onion in there with it. Not too much, just a little onion. I better get my wooden spoon. I don't want to mess the surface up. Okay, I'm gonna let this simmer and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna add a little seasoning. This is better than bouillon. And it's the roasted chicken flavor. Garlic. Complete. Onion powder. Black pepper. Just a little bit of Lorry's. Not much. Be back. Okay, so my chicken is all done. And my meatloaf. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video to see how this dinner tastes. Bye-bye.